Hi there, students. Flank, a flank, a noun. And I guess there's a verb as well, to flank. And we also have a verb to outflank. Okay, the flank is the side of something. It could be the body on the side between the hips and the ribs. So I guess you could have a flank of pork, for example. Yeah, my right flank, it hurts a bit, but it's just another word meaning the side of something. The road goes across the eastern flank of the mountain, the eastern side. Okay, so this is the idea of flank. Yeah, the side of an animal, particularly an animal that's got four legs. You see the front, and then the flanks are the sides of it. This word flank is very often used in military terms, or in they can use it in football as well. A winger is a flanker. He's the person who goes on the flank, on the sides of the pitch. He doesn't go on the middle, he uses the flanks. And if you have a military formation, the flank of that military formation are the two sides. And this is where we get the idea of to flank or to outflank. If you can maneuver so that you are at the side of your enemy, it's much easier to attack them because there's only a few of them against all of you. And that's an advantage. So to outflank is to go round the edge to get a side position. But very often we use this word to outflank, meaning to get the better of an opponent. Yeah, to use a better strategy. So I was outflanked by his strategy. He gained a tactical advantage. He got the better of me. He outmaneuvered me. Yeah, because he was smarter. He outflanked me. You see, I'm going to outflank him and win this finally. Okay, so we have this flank, the side of something. Yeah, to defend the flank of your column, for example, the extreme right and left of a military formation. The flank of an animal, the side bit, yeah, and then the flank, the side of your body, yeah, between the bottom rib and your hips, and this is the flank as well. So I think it's a synonym for the side of something, or the wing when you're talking about a formation. Yeah, the right flank of the field, the left flank of the field. Okay, so the flank, the side of something. So you need to think about this carefully, because otherwise your opponent could outflank you. I stroked the flank of the cat. Yeah, the side. Yeah, the sort of the thigh, I guess. Yeah, and then a flank of an army, of a military force. Yeah, you have this formation, and then you have the flank on the two sides, and then you flank. You come round the side of something, and then to outflank, either to make that maneuver physically, or to be smarter than, to outthink, to use strategy to beat somebody. Okay, so flank. I guess flank, formality. I'd probably give it 5.5, maybe 6. I think you could use it anywhere that it's a touch on the formal side. A flanking manoeuvre, 5 in formality, use anywhere. And then to outflank as a verb, I would use this anywhere. Yeah, so 5 in formality again. Then as to origin, the flank of something. This comes from an Old English word flank, meaning the flank, which comes from Proto-Germanic klanko, talking about a bend or a curve, or the flank, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European pleng, meaning to bend something. Okay, so the flank, the side. Somebody came around here, they would come to my flank, they would outflank me almost. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flank, outflank.